Hi, welcome to the Data channel. My name is Clara Raphael. Today we're going to be looking at how to plot a table or a matrix in Power BI. Table or matrices are great choices when we want to see and compare detailed data or see the exact values. They're also great choices when we want to display data in tabular format or display numerical data by categories. Both tables and matrix display data in a tabular layout. So now to plot a table or matrix, we head over to our visualization page and we can find this visual on the fourth row or rather the fifth row, and we see table and matrix. They're actually side by side. Um, so for us to plot a table, we click on table. So it shows us this layout or this template. We expand this, and for us to see this lesson, we want to see the sales, which is a numerical data, and want to see this by month, which is the month name. So we click on this, and okay, we click on, let's say we want to also save by year, click on year. So right now our information is quite distorted. So I'm going to just make the font bigger. So we'll go to the formatting pane and hand over to values and increase it. Let's say we want it to be of size 12. So it looks a little bit bigger. So we can see um, sales, month name, and year. So we need to do like some formatting on this table as well so that it displays in the way we want to see it. First of all, we would like to see the year, and we want to see the month name, then lastly the value of sales. But we notice that our year is coming out as a sum. So to rectify this, we would go to this drop down and say do not summarize. This option actually gives us the value as it is from the data set. Also, for a month category, we notice that it's actually been arranged in alphabetical order, and that's not like a true picture of this data type. So what we do is we sort this column, and how can I do that? I will go to my table view. I actually created a table area that would help me sort this value, and this table is on this table, and you can find the column in the month. Right, so I'm using the month column to sort the month name column. So to achieve this, I highlight my month name and I come to my sort by column option, click on the drop down. It gives me the list of columns I have on my data set. So I'm interested in sorting that particular column by the month. So I do this, and automatically changes has happened. So how can we confirm that? We go back to our report view, and you can see it has changed. So we have 2022 January, and we still so let's sort this table by, we want to sort it by the sum of sales. So which sales has the highest, which sale has the lowest. So it's starting from the highest to the lowest. So we can see here the year 2022 November has the highest sales, while the least in 2021 February. So that is it about a column, a table. Let's plot a column. So we go back to our fifth row and select our matrix. So our matrix also displays data in a tabular layout. And let's see the options we have. This time around, a table just contains one option, which is columns. But looking at our matrix, we have two options, which are rows, columns, and values. So our matrix actually helps us look at data in two dimensions, or let's say, yes, in two different dimensions. You can actually carry out a multivariate analysis with your matrix compared to your table. So let's say we want to see the total sales by year and by region. Um, our matrix can help us with that. So let's notice that our quantitative value will be on values, while categorical will be either on the rows or columns. So I said earlier I want to compare the sales. Sales is a quantitative value. I drag it down to this place. I want to compare this value by year. So I drag my year to my row. Right now I want it to be on my row. Then I want to see also by product category. So I put this and go to my portfolio. So it's saying that in 2021, this is how much you made in the electronics product category, made around this. So let me just do some little format, right? I increase the values so that it looks bigger and we can actually see what's going on here. You can see it's just the values are increasing. So I go ahead also and increase other options like my column headers. I make it 12 and my row header I make this 12 as well so that they are both legible. So we can see from this visual in here 2021 we made around 10,100 naira for the electronics product category, followed by furniture, which has 13,400 and office supplies. Um, Judging from what we have here and here, we can see that matrix allows us to see this quantitative data in two different dimensions, while the table just gives us that one dimension. So I'll compare matrix as the pivot table equivalent we have in Excel. So it actually helps us dissect data in different aspects or dimensions. I hope you've learned something today. Please do like and subscribe and share this video if you find this helpful.